folks, how's it going? All right, I see so many of y'all in the StreamYard, and that's amazing. I haven't seen so many of y'all for an opening ceremony in such a long time. I love the questions. I love how y'all are interacting with each other. All right, folks, I know y'all are excited, so am I, because I'm doing an FTH after a long time. So let me quickly share my screen, okay, and we'll go through the slides, and then I'll stick around, answer some questions, and I'm definitely available on, Discord for a bit. Okay, good. Let's go. I love there's so many of y'all in the chat. Keep the chat going. I definitely answer whenever I get to it. Let's go. Welcome to Hack for Hackers, folks. Let's go to the slides and keep. Right. All right. Okay. So, folks, I do have my chats going on. I'll try and keep an eye out, but I'm going to focus on the PPT. Okay. Let's go. We have a lot to cover. Okay. So, hi, folks. I am Rithvi. I've been a coach at Major League Hacking for almost 3.5 years now. And yeah, I am an education services specialist at Big Commerce. I love to identify myself as a maker, as my background usually suggests. So, you can see a bunch of tools and a lot of things going on. I love making stuff and talking about it. Right. So right now we're at a hackathon hosted by MLH. And we are at Hack for Hackers. That's the theme for this weekend. And you're joining us from all over the world, which means you could be in any corner of the world and you are welcome to this hackathon. And this hackathon is based around your hacker journey, right? When you're hacking, there's a lot of things that you learn and you need. And this weekend is all about you empowering yourself and your fellow hackers to build more, build fast, build awesome things together. Now, each of the FPHs, as you all have joined before, if you all have joined before, is theme based, but it's open, right? You can build anything, understand whatever makes sense to you, whatever you're trying to have fun with. Yeah, just focus on making friends and having fun. If you're looking for inspiration, we do have a really nice link created for you all right here, where you can get a bunch of project ideas. Right. So starting right now, we are going to be online at every given point, right? So for the next 48 hours, you can come ask us anything. You can ask us your concerns, just talk or hang out with us, right? At any given point during the weekend, you feel like you really need us, you can just tag us at Active MLHers, and we will know that you have a question, that you're asking something, and we'll get a little bit of more, alert for it. So we'll definitely be there. So apart from me, there are two really amazing hackers and, well, now coaches at your disposal for the next 48 hours. We have Yuti and we have Farhan. This is Farhan's first AFP. It's definitely go and say hi to your new coach, and I'm sure he'll be very excited to see you all as well. Right. So, what is Major League Hacking? Major League Hacking is basically a global hacker community. We are over 1 million hackers, just like you and me, right? We do everything around to make sure that you all are successful. We started with member events, hackathons. We have something called Global Hack Weeks happening, and you all are at an FPH that is again designed completely to help you grow in your hacker journey, right? So, we have an amazing Global Hack Week, especially for beginners and people who are, starting hacking, or you could be doing something else and want to learn something new. We have the Beginners Week happening in 3 days. It starts on Monday. Right, Tuesday, 7th Jan. So, okay, what exactly is happening at Hack for Hackers? We have the next 48 hours jam-packed with activities just for you. Okay, so you can take this time to learn, share, and make friends. We have some really cool mini events planned for you all throughout the weekend. So, and they're spaced out across the time zone, so you can join whatever is more time zone friendly to you. So first we have this amazing GitHub Copilot workshop happening at 9:30 a.m. PT and 11 p.m. IST, all at the same time. Then we have future you letters. You can write letters to your future self, set goals, set really cool, anecdotes for yourself, happening at 11:30 a.m. PT or 1 a.m. IST. Next, we're gonna have some snowflake making party. We usually do this on Christmas, but since we're doing FPH is a lot lesser now, it's going to happen now. I ran it during my first debutante, my first hackathon, solo hackathon as a coach. So I'm really excited to run this for you all, right? Then we have a really cool Figma workshop also happening at 9:30 p.m. IST or 11 a.m. ET. Then we have this something called the Hacky Hangout. It's basically you come and sit and chill with your coach, just talk about everything under the sun. More often than not, people in my Hacky Hangout end up talking about food, but y'all are welcome to come and talk about anything. This is happening at 8:30 p.m. ET or 7 a.m. IST. All right, speaking of Discord, what else do you need to know this weekend? Well, everything that we're doing from the Happy Hangouts, mini events, announcements, all the things that I mentioned is all happening on Discord. So this is where you'll, chat, ask questions, make friends, and, basically just meet the community, right? So you can go to discord.mlh.io right now to quickly, start making the friends and, start your hacker journey. So if you can't see the where did we go? Yeah, if you can't see the FPH channels, that is, if you can't see the hacker channels in your Discord, go over to the channels and roles sections that you're seeing on your screen, and you can select Hack for Hackers right there, and all the channels that are specifically for Hack for Hackers will show up. Okay. And then we have again the active legislators role. So make sure that you definitely tag us when you're trying to ask a question to us, right? You're here. We want to reward you. Just showing up is such a big deal, and I always tell hackers, if you all are here, you're ready. We love you. So we want to send you some swag just for showing up, and for that, you need to go ahead and check in. So these are some links that I've also posted in the announcement channel. In our Discord. So if you can't find them or can't write them down, you're good. Just go to Discord and all the links are there. Right? So this is the second link. Again, definitely check in. Make sure we can, appreciate you for showing up. Make sure that we can send you to the place. Make sure that you follow the link here to update your address. In case you're not sure if you've filled it before or if there's a confusion, just go ahead and fill it out. We usually delete duplicate copies and we keep the latest response. Okay, that's not it, folks. We have some really cool partners that are going to help y'all build amazing hacks. So we have our MongoDB database giving us a really cool price for using some, MongoDB Atlas. Just go ahead to the link flashing on your screen and you'll see the software and everything that's available from them. And then we have Databricks, which is awarding prizes to anyone who's building a cool AI, Databricks open source project. Again, if you want to know the specific details, the specific eligibility things, you can go on to the link flashing in front of you. Then we have the Sauce Labs raffle. You can enter to, win a really cool backpack, biggie, and hot sauce. To do this, you need to test your project with Sauce Labs, and yeah, we'll see what you're up to. So these are the sponsored prizes. Next, we have a bunch of more prizes which are more themed to the hackathon happening. So we have the best hack for hacker, which is the most hacky, like the most hacky hack for helping hackers, the way I would like to put it, right? And then we have the silliest hack, a hack that might not help a lot of people, but is fun to talk about. And these are the prizes for Hack for Hackers. That's not it, folks. We also have fellowship, which is again another thing designed to help you hackers be successful. It's basically, a production code working with really cool open source folks. So definitely go ahead, apply. If you have more questions about this, you're welcome to use Discord, and the right people in MLH will, get to you sooner or later. All right. Do you need anything else? Well, yes, you need to submit a demo, right? Whatever you build, however small, however big, whatever, if you couldn't complete it, perfectly fine. Just submit it. Because you get this amazing badge of courage to showing up for the hackathon. So every time you go to a unique MLH hackathon, which is every other hackathon, you get a special edition MLH sticker. So every time you can have like an entire collection of all the hackathons that I've gone to using this. It's also available in our member events, right? How do you create a great demo? This is a good question, and we ask this. We get asked this a lot as we go. So make sure that it's a 2-minute video, and don't just show us a set of slides. Show us the actual code. Include a public code repo. Have a good commit history. Keep committing as you build, and finally submit it onto DevPost. Again, all of these links have been posted in the announcements channel. So if you can't find it or struggling to find it, let me know and we will definitely help you out. Okay. Awesome. Folks, on a serious note, this hackathon has the MLH code of conduct, which means every person in Discord, every person you associated with this hackathon is under this, and that means this is a very safe space, and we want to make sure that everyone has fun. So make sure that everyone has fun, right? If you have any questions or anything, you can ask me, or for anonymity, you can also reach out to the email or the phone number, which is unique to every region. So you can go to the link and check it out. Okay. All right, let's keep in touch, folks. We have a very cool surprise for you. We are introducing digital swag this weekend. That's right. First weekend, we're going to have some very cool digital swag. So you can let everyone know that you're hacking at Hack for Hackers by using this frame that Yuti and Banana so nicely framed into. And you can submit your selfies, what you're hacking with, whatever you want to frame. You can get your digital swag from this link. I'm going to let it stay on the screen for a little bit so that you all can get them. And definitely tag MLH Hacks and use the hashtag Hack for Hackers for us to be able to reshare. You can also tag me if you want. I'm happy to. So you can see my Twitter handle on the screen. All right, so I have a bunch of advice for y'all building this weekend. Team up and have fun. I know a lot of y'all are amazing hackers and y'all have already made so many friends, but definitely have a team. It's always nice to have people working together. It's more fun, and you can also use the team building channel to find yourself a team or teammates, right? So yep, happy time because now, folks, the game is on. If you have any questions, I'm going to stick around for the next 3-4 minutes and answer any questions you might have. Of course, we're always there in Discord. All right, let's see. I see a lot of comments going on here. Let's see what else. I am so glad. I can't wait for you to participate either. A little late, yes, I'm almost through with the entire ceremony, but you're good. You can ask any questions. Plus, this is going to be on YouTube for a bit, so you can watch it there. Okay. Where can you go for Discord? This is the link for Discord. Let me put it for you. There we go. That's the link for Discord. Absolutely. We encourage you to team up. Definitely team up. Yes, so the theme this weekend is Hack for Hackers, like the name suggests. You're supposed to build something that empowers you or another fellow hacker and, really elevates your journey as a hacker. But again, it's only a suggestion. You can build anything under the sun. Absolutely. But make sure you're working on it from scratch this weekend. Absolutely. You can create and make whatever you want. It's all considered. But you saw some of the category prizes, right? They're going to be given, but all the other projects are going to be, given as per, the creativity, and all of that. You can get a GitHub developer student pack. So I will try and send you the link, but I know for a fact that the link is there in frequent questions. If not, you can definitely work happening, and the coach there will help you out with any detail or any other link you might need. We look at GitHub commit history. We do a lot of sheet and checks. We search online, so we make sure that you're having a fair competition. No, there are no recommendations in terms of what project to build. We have a very general vague theme. You can build whatever you want apart from that. You can tag MLH Hacks. You can tag me. My ID is flashing right here on the screen. And yeah, go ahead and also put the hashtag for the hackathon happening this weekend. You want examples of projects for this specific hackathon or just generally? So the registration process is very simple. You can go on DevPost click on, I'm attending the hackathon, and make sure you submit in time. That's all the registration. Definitely check in the link that I flashed earlier and available in the Discord announcements channel. In case you want it, let me put the check-in link here for you all very quickly. There you go. The check-in link. I do not know. I know for the fact that they temporarily paused in India. Uh, you'll have you can ask on Discord and they'll get back to you. The fellowship team will get back to you. If you don't know, if you're not sure, just submit the form again, add this form again. We'll consider the latest response and delete duplicates. This is folks where you can register, and I highly recommend you register. Sorry, check in, and this will definitely help you get your, check-in started. The submission date is actually. Let me show you the score. This is their post. Let me show you their post. Let's copy. This is the dev post link, folks. I don't want to say a time in here. It's basically go on dev post. You can see the number of hours remaining for the hackathon. But basically, around 48 hours from now, that is around 7:30 p.m. IST on Sunday, the hackathon will end. No, then we don't. We'll give you all the prize categories that we showed you. We're gonna only award those. Those are the only prizes we get. Folks, this is the dev post link. You can go ahead and check out the deadline, and all the category prizes will also be listed there. This is where you can get all the digital swag and all the other things that I showed you. You do not get a participation certificate, but on DevPost it does show that you have, participated in the hackathon. And yeah, that's it for that. Oh no, you don't need to start. You don't need to You don't have to code in GitHub. You do, but you will have to eventually have a public code repository. We recommend any public code repository, right? So GitHub is one of them. You could also use GitLab, but yeah, basically in the end, you need to put your code on GitHub or any other, public link that we can access. You need to align for the theme to the theme for this. We will, because it's hack for hackers, so it needs to be a hack empowering hackers to be the best hack for hackers. Does that make sense? All right, folks, amazing questions. I love the questions. Keep them coming. No, deployment is not required. It's not a necessity in any way for the qualifications of the project. Any tool you can use Git, I'm sorry, you can use YouTube, you can use any of the other platforms available to record the video. But make sure again you push it to a public link, which is either YouTube or what else? Vimeo or or Twitch, any of the links need to be public and the video should be accessible to us. Yep, absolutely. You can totally do that. All right, folks, I am going to close the Q&A now. I am so excited to see you all here. And I'm going to see you all in Discord. You can ask any questions you have in Discord. Yep, I will see you all in a little bit in Discord. And if you ever get any questions, keep them coming to at Active MLHers and we'll get back to you. Any coder for that matter, any person participating in a hackathon. So you can basically make it for hackers, which means people who participate in hackathons. I am so glad I could help you all, and it is always so exciting to come back for an FPH. I will see you all in Discord in a little bit, and yeah, please share your hacks on Twitter. We would love to see it, and